Alright, in Filmora, I just added a couple clips to my timeline that I like to add some subtitles to. Now, before we start adding our subtitles, it's a good idea to lock your video track because it'll sometimes shift your video clips around when adding multiple subtitles and cause headaches. Alright, next let's go up to Titles, and then expand the included folder from the side menu, where you'll find a subtitles section. Inside, you'll see a bunch of different subtitles to choose from. You can preview the subtitles by double-clicking any of them. Once you find one you like, just click the plus button to add it to your timeline. And then you'll want to drag your subtitle clip's end so that it matches the duration of your clip on the timeline. Okay, now to edit your subtitle, just double-click its clip to bring up its settings over here. First, let's enter some new text into the text box to change the subtitle. You'll notice there's a bunch of text formatting options to play around with, as well as options down here like the ability to change the subtitle's alignment. I'll just stick with this bottom option. To change the subtitle's position more precisely, just drag either the X or Y values. Another useful option is the ability to change the opacity, which adjusts the transparency of the text box background. You can change the size of the subtitle's text box by dragging its handles over in the preview. And you can reposition it simply by dragging it around. Okay, now we have one nice looking customized subtitle, but we still need one for our next clip. Before we add another one, let's position the playhead anywhere after the first subtitle so we don't overwrite our first one. Then simply select your first subtitle and use the Ctrl-C keyboard shortcut to copy it, and then use the Ctrl-V keyboard shortcut to paste it at the playhead's position. Next, just drag your duplicated subtitle so that it starts at your second clip, and drag its end so that its duration matches the length of your second clip. Lastly, double-click your second subtitle and change its text for your second clip. Alright, now we have two unique subtitles that match our clips. Obviously, we could keep going if we had more clips, but it'd be that same process of duplicating the subtitles over and over again. But that's all from me, so thanks for watching and see you guys next time.